Good afternoon, everybody. Philip here. Welcome to OxmanGarage. If you guys haven't been keeping up to date with the channel so far, we've been doing a Honda Ruckus build. So I know I haven't been like real active with the channel the last few weeks. I did a little bit on the Corvette, and it's about it. But so back in January, I had tried to buy that at Barth, which I did buy it from Carvana, and ended up giving it back. Didn't like it. I was gonna do a build on that. Do coilovers, wheels, a whole bunch of stuff to it, and has a really good following. But unfortunately, that didn't work all that well. Within like 3 days, I started a bunch of electrical problems with it, so I just gave it back, and I just kind of nixed the build. And I kind of nixed the idea of having any type of a build anytime soon. Until, well, if you know what? It'll be up in the top right here, the eye. Go right back to the very first video of this Honda Ruckus. But I'll tell you a little bit about more of the story and how I got it and stuff like that. So go for it. You can do it before you watch this channel or this video, or you could go back to it afterwards. So it's not going to do too much. So this is going to be the second day of doing anything builder related. So last video, I pretty much took the whole thing apart. I got the headlights here, and I'm going to be taking these side markers off and cutting these notches, taking the reflectors off. And I'm going to put, I don't think I'm going to put these back on, but I'm going to put indicators right here where the reflectors are. But what I'm doing right now is I'm breaking down the whole bike to be able to go out to the powder coater and get it powder coated. What color, you may ask? Well, you know what? In the comments below, let me know what color you think I'm going to go with. A lot of people who know me that well probably already have a good idea of what color I'm going to go with. But everybody else, you just have to wait and find out. Sorry, guys. Sorry. You guys have to wait. It's going to be probably a couple weeks, too. So just pull up that big old couch and watch all the episodes. So I have ordered parts and still waiting on them. Hopefully they'll be here any day now, but we won't know. Today is so much more beautiful than it was the last couple times. It's nice out. I'm out t-shirt, my Carhartt hoodie out right now. Just t-shirt, jeans. But alright, I'm just rumbling. Okay, so let's get into it. So today we're going to disassemble this, take the headlights off, the reflectors, and the indicator lights, and I'm going to notch these off and hopefully get these off. And then what I probably am going to do is come back to this one and take this off. So grind that smooth so it's all nicely powder coated. You won't see it. And then also, if I have enough time, I'll probably take the engine off of this and probably take the wheel and everything. We'll see how far I can get. Let's see how far this takes me and this takes me. And then if I have enough time, I'll continue with this. If not, we'll leave that for a different video. Oh, guys, if you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, come on, guys. Just takes like 30 seconds. It doesn't even take, it takes like 5 seconds. Just go down there, just hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell. You get notified every time one of these videos come out. Like I have said before, my target is to get these to come out every single Sunday. So we'll see how well I can keep up with that. But for the most part, I do have enough stuff to keep going with this build to have a short little video every single Sunday. Alright, guys, well, let's get down to the nitty gritty of today. Alright, so I got this off, stripped up, you saw it, I got the tabs off. I've never done a project like this before on something like the tubular metal. So this side I cut off first, as you guys saw, and I cut a little slit all the way through. I was like, damn it, okay, I'll get one of my buddies who can weld it up, and then I can grind it down, no big deal. Let me attack the second one a different way, and well, I went like this, and obviously I made more damage than what I did there. So I'm going to have my buddy weld both that up, but other than that, it's all stripped down, it's all good to go, it's all ready to go to the powder coater. I got this piece off, I got this piece off, got all this right here. So let me get the other piece out. Let's cut the let's cut the other piece off the bike. Hopefully I don't screw that one up as bad. Alright guys, so, well, you've seen what I've accomplished so far. So, I did the bracket for the headlights that I did go all the way through with. I did not go all the way through with that. I did not. I took my time with this one. So, as you can see, I don't know if you can see on the video, but right here, yeah, look at that watch. Whew, covered in metal. But, a little bit right here, a little bit right here. So, I ran out of, oh, I don't need this anymore either, do I? Nope, I don't need this anymore. This one can come on too. That's gone. Okay, that's for the wiring that's going. So I gotta clean that up too. So I gotta do this and do that. Clean that up, and then we'll be good to go to do that. So I'm actually not gonna take this apart today. I'm gonna leave it together so I can still have this as a nice work stand. But then once obviously I get that done, then I'll take this all apart. But that is going to conclude today's video. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying this Ruckus build as much as I am doing it. A little black. So yeah, I'm not going to show you me finishing that because, I mean, obviously, there's only so much, you know, sped up video you guys can handle, right? So I'm the same way. So, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Like squad, go smash that like button for me. Alright, and just like that, this vlog is over, and peace out.